is the driver?
My Nigerian people don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a son to the web say it just happened. The indigenous people of Biafran leader will be Mazin Nandekano don't cancel the sit-down for us website that they do for all the southeast states every Monday. As they call Yan, they say they're going to observe every Monday as the economic equipment day will be EED. And now the talk person of IPOB will be more powerful. Now he hand this talk on Saturday, August 5th, 2023. The Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors them on Saturday, August 50, 2023, doctor announced to say that they plan to start an inaugural protest on Wednesday, August 9, 2023, around that kind 10 a.m. Now they go start the protest. Say because federal government no agree answer them where they present plenty problem there we say that they face. As federal government can't threaten all the medical doctors them. Say anybody will not work, they not go pay them. Now only people that will say they work, and they go fee pay. The Nigerian army don't come out to call Yan, say that they ready and they stand gidigba to make sure say they go defend and protect Nigerian democracy at all costs. And the chief of army staff will be Lieutenant General Taurid Lagbaja na Yan this talk for the personal parade of officers of the Executive Commission Council for inside Jaji Kaduna State on Saturday, August 5th, 2023. Plenty truck drivers are not day stranded for the road will lead to Niger Republic to enter inside Sokoto State. He say because federal government of Nigeria don't come block the border to enter inside Niger Republic. As they come dey yarn, so after they don't carry goods go deliver for inside Niger Republic to enter back inside Nigeria, don't come be wahala. And federal government give this order after with the Niger army them take over Niger government by force. 29 years old Lagos driver and also graduate of accountant wey name be Jeremiah Adeniro, Ekoloba police doctor arrest him. Say because he dey rob some of him female passengers them and they arrest him after when he go one shop for inside Koti area of Lagos State go buy something. Now so one of the girls that we say don't rob before can't recognize him. We made the girl come holla as people they can't gather, can't call Ekoloba police. We made them come arrest him.
My name is Adeniro Jeremiah. I'm 29 years old. To 12 at night. I stopped her along the road to pick both of them. Why everything she was with was obtained from her, that's her iPhone 14 and a sum of 60,000 naira.
Professor Bashir Aliyu Saliu, the senior lecturer for inside the outside department of Federal University, Dostima, inside Katsina State, Dokon de Toko, saying that the babbing of her will say in the bab na help with him family take survival during the ASU strike. As in Kontoko, saying they're very proud to be a lecturer and also to be a barber. The Owerri Magistrate Court on Thursday, August 3rd, 2023, Dokon jail 4 suspects with their name be Amarachi Nwodo, 39 years old, David Ajuka, 22 years old, Chima Nwandu, 43 years old, and Osinachi Okoro, 22 years old. Say because they join body go first knack because of 15 years old girl. We make the girl pekus come tear, come scatter all the pekus. As family members, they come rush, carry the girl go to Umugume Special Hospital to treat her for inside Owerri. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency will be NDLA don't arrest one couple with their name be Mr. Kingsley Eloze Onyebuchi and Mrs. Eloze Roslyn Nonyelum. After they pretend they say they won't go treat themselves for inside India. Meanwhile, na cooking drug na in they swallow where they won't go deliver, and about 184 seeds wey weigh about 3.322 kg and 100 grams. Now be say they swallow, and the woman hide her own for inside her pekus, while the man can't even swallow his own. They put for inside belly. Now for inside the Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Ikeja, Lagos. Now in they catch them. Nigerian road safety officer don't come shocktalize after we they see one bus driver wey carry plenty people take full in bus. As some people full the bus, some other ones they sit down on top the bus, and some other ones they sit down for inside the boot of the bus to say because they go barrier. We provoke the road safety officer. Come they ask the driver, say when he say he won't go barrier, must you by other people them to reach the barrier where they go?
I just snap now. Even the bag everywhere I just snap. Because you are going for burial, you will now kill other people. How can you load people like this for God's sake?
Plenty Nigerians are come dey hail the ogbonge senior pastor of Love World aka Christ Embassy wey be Pastor Chris Oyakilome after when he support the gospel artist wey be testimony jagger come give am 100 million naira say because of the good God work wey be say im dey do for inside street dey help dey empower youth even families and widows dem and people dem wey be say dem no get papa and dem no get mama for inside Nigeria.
It's even testimonies group that has won awards on like 3 different times. Am I right? Helping a lot of widows, which they do continuously. So we're also going to support your work with another 100 million.
One Nigerian lady wey come out come talk say she wan set another new world record to do the exotic dance at Tono as she wan dance for 130 hours. She don come for collapse on top stage during wey be say she dey dance. They don catch one lady wey be say they almost beat her after she go pour hot water on top her senior sister as she come yarn say her senior sister dey always dey beat her, dey treat her anyhow. Na im make her come provoke, come go boil hot water, come put small pepper inside, come use her take pour her sister. And this gbege happen for inside the MCC first gate for inside Aboloji Estate, Rumu Igbo, Rivers State, Port Harcourt. Na this gbege happen on Saturday, August 5th, 2023.
For my body, I no talk. It's nice tell me say wetin he go do. Say I get love to say my father say. That is to say I didn't say no say why go still do the same thing wey he dey do.
Come. Tell us wetin he do you. What happened to you?
The Gambia member of House of Parliament wey name be Mama Kande don come dey provoke dey tell ECOWAS dem say before they go try to go fight the country dem wey be say they use military to take over power, say make dem make sure say they don put their house in order and make dem make sure say they no dey tipitalize their country money and make dem stop to dey lie to their citizens and also make dem stop all the corruption things wey dey happen for inside their country.
We are not in support of coup d'etat. Before you create a unit to go against any attempt of coup d'etat, put your house in order. Stop lying to your electorate. Stop lying to your citizens. Stop looting the resources of your country. Stop corruption in your country. And then you can talk about anti-coup d'etat.
The Nigerian national women basketball team wey be the Tigers on Saturday, August 50, 2023 don win the final of the 2023 FIBA Women's Afro Basket Tournament as they come beat Senegal 84-74.
Yes, na Bishop News Club. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.